Hello guys, in last video we have created home screen with flat list and card view. Now we will create blur transparent custom drawer and apply animation on it. So let's get started. First, go to the React Navigation official doc and copy draw navigator and paste it app.js file. Now add home profile and setting screens on draw navigator. Create profile and setting file at screen folder. And add functional component snippet in them. Now add my drawer at navigation container. Now save it. Yes, I forget to import profile and setting screen at navigator. So import profile and setting screen. Now open drawer from home screen. Oh, I did a typo. Change it to open drawer at app header. Now add navigation prop at home screen. Now let's open drawer. Now go to the root file and add draw navigator, add drawer style. You can adjust drawer width. You can change background color of the drawer. You can change drawer position, left or right. You can change drawer type. Now we will change drawer type according to the screen width. Let's add use window dimension hook from React Native. Now we will add condition. If width more than 700 pixel, then we will set drawer type permanent, otherwise type will be front. Now set it at drawer type. Now add edge width. Let's set it to 300. By this prop, you can swipe to open drawer under 300 pixel width from the edge. Leave it to 100. Now add drawer content in that add custom drawer and pass drawer props to it. Let's create custom drawer component. Import drawer content scroll view, drawer item list and drawer item. Now add parent view component. In this add drawer content scroll view. Now in this add drawer item list. It is a list of drawer item. We have to add styles and in that add flex to 1. Now add user view at the top of drawer. We will create it later. You can add it inside of drawer content scroll view. Now add drawer item for logout button at the below of drawer content scroll view and set its label to logout and set drawer item icon. I'm using React Native vector icon dependency for icons. Now save it. Yes, we have to create user view first. Now let's create user view. Let's go ahead and save it. Yeah, we did a mistake. Add curly braces at the icon of drawer item, because drawer item returns size and color in the form of object, so we have to destructure it. Yeah, it works. Now set other screen drawer icon. Add option at drawer.screen tag. Now copy these options to other drawer screens. Now we will change drawer items tint color from drawer item list. Now add content container option. In this, add label style. We can change drawer item font style from here. Now update user view. Add image in user view and import it from React Native. In this, add image styles. Now save it. Now add title and caption. Now add blur view to custom drawer content. Now save it. And you can see drawer become blurred, but it is transparent. Now we will add radial gradient view. create colors. Now save it. You can see the drawer looks blurred and its background has radial gradient. Now increase the radius of gradient. Add flex at list parent view. Now make drawer item tint color more darker. Now I'll apply animation on drawer. Add translate X. Import animated from definitive animated. We will interpolate the drawer content while opening and closing it. Get progress from props and set input and output range. Now wrap child view to animated dot view. Add a style crop. And in that add transform. Now you can see drawer content translate in the x-axis. Also you can add opacity at the drawer content. Now add image at user view. It looks nice. Yeah, drawer is completed. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then smash thumbs up, then share and subscribe.